Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a mystery box unboxing from the makeup brand Winky Luxe. They had mystery boxes for $40, so I'm hoping I have at least $40 worth of makeup products in here, or skincare products. So let's see what they got. So this is, before I get into it, that's how it came, so we shall see. Okay, so I got this little makeup bag. It says Winky Luxe on it. It's really small. Blondie, what are you doing? No. I know you love plastic, but no. What else did I get? Let's see. This is... I can't see. Milky, okay? The cats have their bowl over here. No, you're not okay. Hold on. This is like super small. I had to take my glasses off because I'm nearsighted. I can see things close up, but this shit is small. That's really small. Shit. Demi matte lipstick. The skinny plump demi matte lipstick in the shade Room Service. So that's what it's supposed to. Can you see that? Because I had a hard time. Look at that print. It's so small. I mean, yeah, I know I'm kind of blind, you guys, but damn, that's small. I'll show you what it looks like. So, this is the lipstick. Let me see what color. So that's the color it's supposed to be. That looks nice. Like a raisin type color. So I got this free sample. It's called Peeper Perfect. It's for your eyes. Like concealer. Yeah, under eye concealer. Hi, Milk. They just want to be in the video. Then I got Perfect Pout lipstick in the shade Frisky. Oh, it's got a little cat head in the middle. That's cute. Then I got the Jelly Bear Hydrating Primer. Huh. That's interesting. That's pink. How is that supposed to... Does it go on clear? Okay. The box says, look your jelly best with this refreshing translucent primer, which preps skin with major moisture for flawless makeup application. Hopefully that's not sticky, because it looks like it might be sticky. But I'm going to try it. Then we got the Winky Luxe Unibrow Instant Gel Pencil in the shade Brown. I'm probably gonna give this to one of the girls. Mary Kay, you want this? I don't do anything with my brows. I don't know. It's not really a step that I necessarily need in my routine because my brows are just fine. I leave them alone. They're fine. And the last thing I got was the Winky Luxe Galaxy Kitten Palette. It's adorable. I love the packaging. Let's see what it looks like. Looks very neutral. Lots of grays, and I'll try it. If I don't like it, I'll pass it along. So that was the last thing I got in my little mystery box. I was honestly hoping for just maybe one skincare item, but that's okay. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you like videos like these. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Say goodbye, Milkshake.